Hello, Clearborough, North Dallas. Excuse me. This is I think it's a 24, maybe a 23 CX5. I'll identify it when I get to the back. But this particular vehicle, and it's interesting, most think that all we wrap are these high dollar cars and these sports cars, but what it's about is the owner of the car wants the car to look the best it can as the car progresses in age. So in the event you go to sell this car and it looks like this in 6-7 years, whatever, which it will, you're going to get the best money for this car over one that doesn't have it. It's a Mazda, Hondas, Toyotas, they always do well. So taking a look at this CX5, there's excuse me, there's no shortcuts on wrapping it just because it's not a high dollar sports car. It gets wrapped the same as the Beamer, the Porsche, and the other Porsche, and the Bronco, and the Honda Accord over there. And what I'm saying is everything gets wrapped in. So all those edges, everything's underneath. There's nothing going to touch that. Everything is behind the panel, secured behind the hood. Nice and clean, nice and glossy, nothing to jeopardize that gloss. All this fully wrapped around, all the way. All these tips on the hood fully wrapped, here's wrapped. Everything's looking fantastic. Coming up here around the fender, no lines here. Everything is wrapped in. Everything's wrapped in. All these tips are wrapped in. The mirror, one piece. Patterns allow two. We just do one. This A-pillar, which goes into this quarter panel, all done in one section, fully wrapped into the door. Of course it locked. Fully wrapped into the door, fully wrapped in up here with the hood pan being all in one piece. Continues all the way back. And coming around here, fully wrapped into the tailgate, all the way down. Coming to the corner, fully wrapped in under the taillight. I mean, beautiful job on this. We don't take any shortcuts. All the installs that I do are exactly the same. All the edges, everything. Door and fender, fully wrapped in. So all this here, fully wrapped in under this plastic. Everything looks fantastic. So this car, 10-year guarantee on the product. You'll get more out of it as long as you take care of it. This thing will look good for 10 years guaranteed. Removed, so there's no lines around it. Put back in the same orientation with a template that we make. This one here is not hard because there's set pins for it, so that goes back in the same orientation, but comes off full piece, everything wrapped in. Plate comes off, obviously, fully wrapped. All this comes off, back in the same orientation. So everything is perfect on this CX5. And there's nothing more I can say about it besides it's a great job. The window film is XR Plus. That's an Expel product with the highest heat rejection on the market today. And this is 30%, I believe, and then we went a little darker in the back. I don't have my invoice with me to see, and I should remember, but I forgot. And this is a 24 Mazda. Excellent. So there it is, just a quick look. I'm going to send this video off to the owner so he can see it. And that's about it. So there it is, Brian. There's your son's CX5. It looks fantastic. And I hope you enjoy it, and you'll see it when you get back. And wonderful job. So thanks for watching, everybody on YouTube. ClearboroughNorthDallas.com. The number to get me at's 214-414-3809 for any questions. And appreciate you guys watching us on our YouTube channel. Thanks. ClearboroughNorthDallas.com.